And so when people lie to you and pretend and make up stories that you can't do it, they're liars. God is not a liar. The Apostle Paul says it so clearly, I can do all things through who? Through Christ. That's the secret, you see. And that's why God in the Revelation has given us the stark warning, all of us, fear God, give glory to Him, worship Him. Because at the end of time, there's only going to be two choices. Either God's way or the highway. And the highway is not going up. The highway is going down. Friends, brothers and sisters, fear liberates us. The fear of God does not place us in bondage, but it liberates us. Because when we worship in spirit and in truth, we will be set free from the world.